Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation, basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is vitamin A. So, one of the person told that basically vitamin A data basically says that the blast is going to happen or not. Basically, the blast is going to happen here. Basically, so that data basically are prepared by the the army group basically, that are the army groups and government groups. They prepares their data basically from the public only basically. So public only basically decides whether the blast is going to happen basically or not going to happen. So one of the person told that basically publics decides basically that blast will happen or basically blast will not happen basically. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that basically where money is required basically. Why one of the person told that basically Sunil Nair basically don't require any money basically. For that basically the Mumbai city told that basically अरे यार मैं इसको तो क्या इसको पैसे की क्या ज़रूरत है, इसकी तो जनरेशन ही ख़त्म कर दिया हमने. In Hindi that was basically. In English basically see that like this. His generation basically we have ended here basically. Mumbai basically, that is Maharashtrian people basically. And Marathi people basically has told that basically they have created Ram Mandir also basically to secure themselves basically, so that basically in future anything big will happen basically to Mumbai basically. Ram Mandir is there basically. Ram Mandir station is there basically. It will secure the Mumbai city. So for that basically they have created Ram Mandir station also basically. So one of the person told that अरे भाई इसको तो क्या पैसे की जरूरत, इसका तो जनरेशन हमने ख़त्म कर दिया. That was basically in Marathi basically is told basically. So I will just write in Marathi actually what is told that basically just इसको पैसे की क्या जरूरत है. So see basically. See, currently it's not showing no internet data because I am using mobile data basically. So mobile data is very slow basically we can say, because there are internet provider data are also there, Wi-Fi data are also there. So you have to secure that also basically. So one of the person told that his, just a minute, English to Gujarati translation we will do. His next generation will not go in future data. So this is in English basically.
His next generation will not go in future data.
તેની આગામી પેઢી ભવિષ્યના ડેટામાં જશે નહીં.
That means in Russia basically, you see what they are telling in Russia.
Его следующее поколение не войдет в будущие данные. Его следующее поколение не войдет в будущие данные.
Now we will write basically Mumbai has told, basically. That is Marathi people has told.
Sunil Nair next generation will not go in future data. Sunil Nair, следующее поколение не войдет в будущие данные.
Now we see in France basically what they are telling.
Sunil Nair, la prochaine génération n'entrera pas dans les données futures.
That now we see in Marathi.
सुनील नायर पुढची पिढी भविष्यातील डेटामध्ये जाणार नाही.
See basically. Now basically see in Malayalam basically.
സുനിൽ നായർ വരും തലമുറ ഭാവി ഡാറ്റയിലേക്ക് പോകില്ല.
That means Sunil Nair basically next generation will not go next basically. This was told by whom basically? Mumbai told this basically. So basically we will write here Mumbai told this basically. That is Marathi cast.
Sunil Nair next generation will not go in future data. Mumbai told this. That is Marathi cast. സുനിലാർ നായർ വരും തലമുറ ഭാവി ഡാറ്റയിലേക്ക് പോകില്ല. മുംബൈ ഇത് പറഞ്ഞു. അതാണ് മറാത്തി ജാതി.
That means see, this was told by basically in Marathi we will see. See in Marathi basically.
सुनिलार नायर पुढची पिढी भविष्यातील डेटामध्ये जाणार नाही. मुंबईने हे सांगितले. ती आहे मराठी जात.
That means Marathi caste basically told this basically. And we will see in Tamil also basically what they are telling basically.
சுனிலார் நாயர் அடுத்த தலைமுறை எதிர்கால தரவுகளுக்கு செல்லாது என்று மும்பை கூறியது. அது மராத்தி சாதி.
See basically. That is Tamil basically. Now see in France what they are telling.
Sunil Lerner, la prochaine génération n'entrera pas dans les données futures. Mumbai a dit ceci, c'est la caste Marathi.
Sunil Arnair next generation will not go in future data. Mumbai told this, that is Marathi caste. Sunil Arnair next generation will not go in future data. Mumbai. Sunil Arnair next generation. Sunil Arnair next generation will not go in future data. Mumbai told this, that is Marathi caste.
So you can just imagine basically, I was actually storing somewhere basically. So where should I store? No, that basically I am. So I will store in basically this data basically. Data of Sunil R. Nair. So that is, actually I have created lots of folder basically. So see folder name also you see basically. If world does not exist, if world exists, so one of the person told that yeah, you basically think both side basically, positive and negative both side basically. One of the person told that also. So see.
Sunil Arnair next generation will not go in future data. Mumbai told this, that is Marathi caste.
Sunil Lerner, la prochaine génération n'entrera pas dans les données futures. Mumbai a dit ceci, c'est la caste Marathi.
So see France basically how they are telling. Now basically we will see some different language basically. That basically we never heard also. So which will be that language? Nepali say basically.
सुनिल आर नायरको अर्को प्रस्ताव भविष्यको डाटामा जाने छैन. मुम्बईले भन्यो, यो हो मराठी जात.
Now basically which language we will use? Luxembourg language. That basically does not exist. That means somebody is going to create basically energy basically. So you can just imagine basically the future creation also basically how they are planning basically. So Google basically, that means one of the person told that Google को तो बहुत कुछ पता है यार basically. Google knows lots of things basically. Google knows lots of things basically. One of the person told that basically. And Google basically 100% he is in America basically. 100% I am telling. So another language basically is. So you can just imagine the energy power basically which is going to generate basically. This whole language basically does not exist in the environment basically. Lots of language basically does not exist that are going to create by the set of group basically, and language is equal to set of cities basically. That is text box equal to 1000 cities. So text box equal to 1000 cities now. That group basically know everything basically about the future languages which is going to create basically. So just now basically we saw this language basically. That mostly basically does not exist in the environment basically. And that they are basically tracking also basically. So you can just imagine basically the Google power basically. One of the person told that yes यार Google तो बहुत ताकतवर है. See गुजराती.
સુનિલ આર નાયરની આગામી પેઢી ભવિષ્યના ડેટા